Lady Jane here. I am ready to put up my Zpacks Duplex tent. I put it up the other day for the first time, and I thought maybe after a few more videos of others putting it up I would do better, so here we try again. One important thing that I learned was that when we put our trekking poles into the cup of the tent, there's this little overhang right here that needs to be put facing into the tent, and these need to be a specific height also. I had mine way too short the other day. So we need them to be about 47 or 48 inches high. So on my trekking poles, which are the black diamond, I have set one of the locks to 125 centimeters and the other one to 120, and that gives me what Zpacks recommends for the height. For my ground stakes, I have chosen the MSR Groundhog, and what I learned was it's important to put these in at a 45-degree angle so that if the wind should blow, it isn't just going to rock it back and forth and come out. There'll be a lot more dirt that's on top of it, and it'll be sturdier. YouTubers suggested to do either the front side or the back side, both. And then come to the opposite side and go ahead and put the trekking pole in. Is under here. Make sure there are no wrinkles in it. And then set it up. Something else that is important is to have your guy line lined up with the trekking pole, and then there's a seam inside here also. Do the other guy lines on each side. Like to leave your flaps open for ventilation purposes. All we need to do is just to roll it up. There's a little toggle switch right here, and that holds it back. If you're needing privacy, or if the wind is blowing from, the rain is blowing from a certain direction, you can leave whatever side the rain is blowing into closed. And there's a little hook on here. That takes care of that. I'll be interested to see what the shakedown hike this weekend. Well, this is not bad for the wind being blowing the whole time I was trying to put it up. Give it a walk around. Inside there's plenty of room for me and all of my gear. I do want to mention that the zipper is the first thing that I just loved about this tent, because I had no problem with it whatsoever. I mean, as many times as I put it up and down trying to get ready for this video, it's been amazing. I haven't had any problems with it. So I am ready for Saturday night shakedown hike. The low temperature is only going to be about 34 degrees, so I think we'll do just fine. Y'all have a good day.